What is that one again?
PPS 841.
Okay.
That was just a bad round. The primer popped.
Fire low.
I think it's 30.
That doesn't have to be behind you.
Why are you always slinging brass at us?
Again. Really fast.
Arnold!
He's just, I got to
Hey, Eric, he just admitted he hasn't cleaned it in a while.
Last time I cleaned it was when I cleaned it at your place.
helps explain it.
Yeah.
Hot, hot, hot. Ow!